It's right here, C5, C6, scoot your butt forward. There you go, I'm just looking back at you. So you want to talk about adaptability of the nervous system. This is it.
Ooh. That would have felt good. Don't give him an aneurysm.
Wow, well, there you go. I know, right? Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was on the money right there.
It was.
Is that what you do, or?
That's for a living. I learn on the weekends.
Every now and then.
I teach around the world.